Welcome to online study from Bachpan and 7-star Convent School, Malashar. Today you are going to study present perfect tense. Now you have to know it, you have to watch it carefully and try to understand it. You have to learn all the structure with examples, learning it. Okay, let's start your study now. Dear students, here is present perfect tense. Recognition, completion of action in present or work is complete just now. Okay? For complete work, this tense is used always in present. But this is active voice here. In active voice, A for affirmative sentences. Structure subject plus has plus V3 plus object etc. As उसने अपना कार्य पूरा कर लिया है. इस सेंटेंस में उसने सब्जेक्ट है, अपना कार्य ऑब्जेक्ट है, पूरा कर लिया है वर्ब है. According to structure, he has completed his work. Negative subject plus has plus not plus V3 plus object etc. As he has not completed his work. I first, yes no type interrogative or question. Structure has have plus subject plus V3 plus object plus etc. question mark. In this structure, helping verb has have is placed before the subject. Okay? For example, has he completed his work? Interrogative second, WS type. Question word plus has have plus subject plus V3 plus object etc. question mark. Why has he completed his work? Now passive voice. This is the structure of passive voice, present perfect tense. Object into subject, helping verb has have plus been. V3 into V3, preposition by etc. subject into object. As he has completed his work in this sentence, he is subject, his work is object, completed his verb, and this is P. P means passive voice. His work has been completed by him. In speaking or spoken English, you can use affirmative and negative for response and interrogative first and interrogative second for questioning. Look, I first, yes no type question. Question number 1. Have you seen a lion? Response 1. Affirmative. In short, yes I have. Response 2. Full response in affirmation. Yes, I have seen a lion. Response number 3. No, I haven't. Response number 4. No, I haven't seen a lion. In the same way, one question more. Has Ravi sold his house? Response number 1. Yes, he has. Response number 2. Yes, he has sold his house. Response number 3. No, he hasn't. Response number 4. No, he hasn't sold his house. One question more. Have the boys won the match? Here, response number 1. Yes, they have. Response 2. Yes, they have won the match. Response number 3. Short and negative. No, they haven't. Response number 4. Negative in detail. No, they haven't won the match. Now, I second and for I second or question interrogative second, there is only one response according to the question word or WH word. For example, question number 1. Who have won the match? The boys have won the match. Question number 2. Why have they gone to Ajmer? Response. They have gone to Ajmer for exam. Here you can see कि who से सब्जेक्ट पूछा जाता है, इसलिए अफर्मेटिव बनाते समय who को हटा के सब्जेक्ट रख दिया से आंसर. वाई से रीजन पूछा जाता है, फॉर एग्जाम इसमें रीजन जुड़ा हुआ है, बाकी इसी सेंटेंस को अफर्मेटिव बना दिया गया है. एंड नाउ प्रैक्टिस टेबल. Practice table number 9 affirmative. Here is the table. Subject are he, she, Julie, Zini, Roma, Dinah, I, we, you, they, the boys, the girls. For singular subject has, for I, we and plural subject have. And here is V3 plus object etc. और सेंटेंस बनाएंगे इसकी मदद से. He has killed a lion, he has caught birds, he has cut green trees, he has called the police, he has asked for help, he has denied to help, he has agreed with policy, he has supported the party, he has opposed the policy, he has helped the poor, he has crossed the river, he has passed the examination. In this way, there are 12 subjects and 12 predicates, and you can create 12 into 12 equal to 144 sentences only with the help of this table at your home. Okay, students, have a nice day.